Simple tissues. Simple tissue is made up of similar type of cells which have a common origin and function. Types of simple tissues. Three type of simple tissues which is based upon its function, that is parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. First, the parenchyma. This is the word which is derived from Greek, means beside, and en means to pour. This is a tissue which is composed of living cells which are variable in their morphology and physiology. Where it is occur? It occurs in pith, mesophyll of leaf, pulp of fruit, endosperm of seed, xylem and phloem. Next, its structure. It consists of unspecialized cells with thin cell walls. It is a living and it has a central vacuole. Intercellular spaces are also present. And what about its shape means? Its shape is oval, rounded and polygonal. The parenchyma is again classified into two types based upon its sources. If a parenchyma contains a chlorophyll, that is known as a chlorenchyma. If it contains air cavities, that is known as aerenchyma. The aerenchyma type of parenchyma gives a buoyancy to the plants, that is aquatic plants. It helps them to float. And the chlorenchyma perform the function photosynthesis. The functions of parenchyma. It provides the support to the plants and mainly it stores the food materials and it forms the starch grains and the air spaces of parenchyma also facilitate the exchange of gases. Next tissue, collenchyma. Collenchyma is a elongated living cells with small intercellular spaces, and this collenchyma cell walls are made up of cellulose and pectin. It occurs in the peripheral regions of the stems and leaves. It allows bending in various parts of a plant, that is leaf and stem, without breaking. And this photograph shows the structure of collenchyma. And next, collenchyma is also again classified into three types based upon the cell arrangement: angular, lamellar, tubular. This is angular and lamellar and tubular. If the cells are arranged irregularly means that is angular. If it is in the tangential walls or present, that is a lamellar. If it is in the tubular like arrangements means that is a tubular. The next functions of collenchyma, that is it provides a conical support, flexibility and also helps in the photosynthesis. The next third type of tissue, that is a sclerenchyma, is a Greek word. Sclera means hard and enchyma means infusion. Structure, it is a long dead cells and it deposits in cell wall lignin, and they have no intercellular spaces, and the tissue which is present in the stem and around the vascular bundles, in the veins of the leaves and in the hard covering seeds and nuts, thick-walled cells. It does not possess a living protoplast at maturity. And this is the sclerenchyma cells. See, it consists of sieve plate, sieve tube element, companion cells. These are all the things. Next, function. It provides the strength to the plant pots and it maintains the turgidity of the plants. The sclerenchyma is also divided into two types, that is the fibers and sclerites. Fibers, the elongated sclerenchyma cells, and it is also lignified and always small, round and slit-like. At maturity, the protoplast disappear. It occurs in patches. Average length of the fibers is 1 to 3 mm. So this photograph shows the fibers. Types of fibers. Fibers are classified into two types. There is a xylem fiber and a phloem fibers. Xylem fibers are developed from the meristematic tissues and is known as xylem fibers. Then phloem fibers, it is originated from the primary and secondary phloem. And next, the component of sclerenchyma is sclerites. This is short and dignified and single pith is present, and it is also classified into four types, that is brachysclerites, macrosclerites, osteosclerites and astrosclerites based upon its shapes. Brachysclerites are stone cells, very short. It is found in cortex and phloem and pulp of the fruit. The next macrosclerites, it is more or like less rod-like cells. It is occurs in the xerophytic leaves. Osteosclerites, it is bone shaped. It is present in the hypodermal layer of the seeds and fruits. Then astrosclerites, the star shaped. It is found in the intercellular spaces of leaves and stem of the hydrophytes. Thank you all.